or for any examination form. So there are many different sort of forms which is done using web HTML. Okay, so how it's been created, let's see that. Fine. Up to this much, can I erase? Is it clear? It's clear, right? I have given the whole thing in the chat section. If you want, you can take it. Up to this much, I'm just erasing. Okay. Now let's see how we can create a form. Okay. So for form, we have something called some tag called form. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. So inside the form, first what we want, basically why we use it to take a input from the user. Okay. So that means some place is needed where the user can add its input, right? So for adding input, we have another tag called input tag. Okay. Input is a self-closing tag. What does the self-closing tag means? Means it doesn't need a separate closing tag. We just do it inside the same tag. Okay, that is called a self-closing tag. Oh, now let's save it and let's see how does this input looks like. This input looks like this way. Okay, now me as a user, if I directly see the input box, will I be able to understand what I need to do? No, right? I need some sort of message, correct? If you want any message or any caption to write inside the input box, you can use attribute called placeholder. Okay, here I can write enter the name. If I write it, see, now suppose outside also I want to add a level. Okay, I just want to give a level of this input box. What does this input box belong to? So for that, we can also add this using a tag called level. Okay, level is basically used for that reason. Now here I can write name. Done. Okay. Am I audible to all of you? I hope my voice is clear. There is
No,
no.
no, slightly breaking. Your voice is slightly breaking. Yeah, now we can hear better.
Okay,
Yeah, can you please
fine,
explain the
right?
level label you told, right?
Yeah. So
A
level
label.
is
Okay.
Yeah, so level is basically used to tell the user like basically what does input box belong to. Give a caption outside. This input box is for the name. Okay, giving a
Okay.
leveling. This is what means. This is a static thing. Nothing related to dynamic. It's not dynamic. You don't need to do anything here. Okay, just a caption you want to give to the input box. So we
Okay.
for that we use a level. Okay. Next. Again, suppose I want, okay, now the main important thing which is left is, now in this input box, I want to enter the name. Okay. So for all of the input boxes, there will be different types. What is the type of the things is going to get or going to user going to input in that input box that need to be mentioned. So here I'm going to write a type. My type will be a text. Okay, somewhere in a single line. If you just want to add a line of thing like a my name is something or a single line, then we can use a type equal to text. Fine. Now suppose I want to add a number, phone number. First I will give a label, phone number. I'm giving a caption, right? What does this input box belong? Next I will open input box. Fine. I will add a placeholder, enter the phone number.